Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding cake at home, only way. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and gather a 9-inch pan, mixing bowls, and measuring cups. Start by whisking dry ingredients, then stir in wet ingredients until just combined. Pour batter into the pan, sprinkle sugar and cocoa for the pudding layer, and bake until a skewer comes out with moist crumbs. Gather ingredients in advance to streamline the process and avoid mistakes while baking. Measure flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, egg, butter, and vanilla precisely for consistent results. Prepare the sauce mixed separately with hot water, cocoa, and brown sugar to pour over batter later. Having everything ready makes the assembly quick and reduces stress, especially when keeping oven timing. Mixing gently preserves tender crumb while still allowing the pudding sauce to form beneath. After pouring batter into the pan, tap to remove air bubbles and then sprinkle any extra sugar evenly. Carefully pour the hot cocoa sauce over the batter so it sinks as it bakes and creates the pudding layer. Bake until the top is set and a skewer shows moist crumbs, then cool slightly before serving warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.